Hello from Chashma Ranjan. From day 3 here in Goa. We've started the day a tad bit late. It is 12 o'clock and we have a first thing for the itinerary lined up. But can I just start this vlog with saying yay to daily uploads from Goa. I've been staying up till last night I was up till 4 in the morning making sure this video gets done. This has been very fun. It's been a whole new experience. I might do it more often just because I feel like I want to be able to do this for you guys, where you get to see things in real time here on YouTube also. We are about to head for the very first thing planned for our day, so shall we go?
Yes, we shall.
This is the Akron side that I showed you guys last night in the previous vlog. In the day, this is what it looks like. It's super pretty. This is the room I stayed in, by the way, the first time I came here. Number 14, literally at the turn. Beautiful place. So what we're doing now is actually rather exciting. We're about to get on a little boat and go somewhere to check something out. Of course, I'll take you with me to show you exactly what. But this is the first time I'm getting on a boat ride in Goa. So, fingers crossed. So we got onto the boat and about a 10-minute boat ride later, we got off in Arpora. The boat ride was really nice and pleasant actually. That's Rian, one of my closest friends in the blogging industry who I've known for so long. And there's Jerry in a rather fun mood. What we were basically doing was super exciting to me because you guys know I love real estate and I love talking about savings and stuff like that. We were checking out this new real estate opportunity in the area where the Akron builders are coming up with a whole new set of villas. 50 villas to be precise. So we went to do a little bit of a site visit because I was curious to see what exactly they were coming up with, because the homes are luxury homes. They almost remind me of all of those LA house tours I keep seeing all of the time. I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link to their direct website down below in the info box, so give that a look if you're interested, because I absolutely enjoyed checking this out. My hair may be in a mess.
You should not be talking about your hair in a mess. I look like I've just tumbled out of a washing machine.
No, you don't. You look so nice.
With this hair, this is very neat and tidy hair.
But you have short hair na, so itna dikhta nahi hai. My hair has gone messy. Faiza had done a nice blow dryish thing for me this morning, which is obviously clearly gone. We have just come back to the resort. We're about to have a really good lunch. The reason I'm saying really good lunch is because I know they have something special planned up for us, which is something to do with apparently we're cooking or something like that. But I'm super hungry, so I can't wait to actually eat.
Are you ready to put your life in my hands if I'm doing any cooking at all?
No. If I'm eating it, I'm cooking it.
You run the risk of being poisoned.
You hate me so much.
No, I'm not hating you. I'm saying that I don't want you to eat mera haath ka khana because it's such a risk.
And I remember that Jerry and I ate at this restaurant. I mean, obviously we ate at this restaurant multiple times because we were staying at this property back 6 years ago. So the food was excellent. So I'm looking forward to the food a lot more. What is your hairstyle called?
Beach curls.
So we've got the beach curls for the beach girls.
Beach curls for the beach girls. There's one beach girl there also.
He's calling Jerry a beach girl. Jerry doesn't want to be a beach girl. I mean, I can't even.
A beach girl.
Are you a beach girl? You're not a beach girl. Life's the beach. ये मेरी भूख का असर है कि इसको खाना दे दो चुप रह जाएगी, बकवास कर रही है. Good afternoon. It is. Hi chef. What are we making today?
We are doing prawn curry.
You're drooling. I can hear you drooling next to me.
And,
I teamed up with Chef Nitesh to go ahead and make Goan style prawn curry. You guys know I love seafood, so doing this was a lot of fun. I always feel like when you interact with people from different parts of the country or the world, you learn something new from them, and learning new tricks and tips with food cooking is something I personally really enjoy. Rian, my Sata Savitra, what are you cooking?
I'm cooking chorizo, the most non-Sati Savitri thing ever.
That's okay. Okay, so we just finished a half-an-hour drive and the Akron team was so sweet. There's a lot of cop stuff happening all over Goa where they're stopping people and asking questions, and even though we'll be wearing our helmets and all of that, they were really kind. They said to take the car and leave. We are now in Ashwem. They dropped us off in the car. The car's going to wait here for us. It's really sweet. We've now reached Ashram Beach and we're heading into this place called Anahata, which is supposed to be really, really pretty. Our friends already reached here before us, and I'm looking forward to check this property out because I've heard a lot about it. Anahata was 100% worth the hype. The interiors and the way you're seeing the place is done up was really, really different and totally unique. I'm highly recommending you go here if you're around this side of Goa or if you're visiting Goa in general. This entire restaurant cafe area overlooked the beach, which was absolutely stunning. They have a whole host of sunbeds outside. I'm so glad that we spent a chunk of time over here because the weather, the ambience, the food, everything was just really, really nice. I just changed into another outfit. Thankfully, I was carrying a few changes in my bag. This is because through the day when I'm clicking pictures at different places and if it's gonna make it to my Instagram or here in my vlog, I definitely want to kind of wear different outfits. This is just a personal choice that kind of comes from like obviously my job. I love this neck piece of mine. I ordered it really long ago on Shein and I only wore it a couple of times and then I forgot about it and I spotted it while packing for Goa this time. And I'm wearing a kaftan. Make sure you guys are following the lookbooks on Instagram that I've been posting in the form of reels that are really quick and easy ways of getting to know what I'm wearing and where they're from. Very importantly.
Can I?
Absolutely.
Try this.
Where do you eat for? Going to the beach! Nandini, what happened? What happened to your pose? What happened to your pose? Mona Lisa went to shit? Are you trying to drown her? There are a group of women that go around offering their services of foot and back massages. I think when we all go to these really, really nice spas, what we can try and do is also do this part of it, which is local and supports these obviously very enterprising women who support their families by this. We sat back and got a nice half an hour massage. It was just really nice to experience this by the beach. I'm someone who enjoys a good foot massage no matter where, and since this was one of the prettiest sunsets ever, they were all so nice to talk to. This was really a fantastic way for me to spend my evening along with my friends. It just felt really nice too. For everybody watching this vlog, this is Prashant Chalapali, who I was supposed to meet that one day when I went in for the non-interview. Once and for all, please set the record straight and say the truth. Okay? I know you love me and I know you might love him more, but say the truth. When I came in to meet you December 2013, did I interview with Jerry Jayaranjan?
No.
Say it again and say it louder.
No.
Suna, your version has been put to death.
Jerry had nothing
He tells
to
people
do,
you're scared of me,
Jerry
imagine.
had nothing to do with Anam being hired. After she came on board as a consultant, it so happened that Jerry poached her as his girlfriend.
And now wife.
The record has been set straight. It is 9:45 p.m. We're running late for our dinner reservation, so we had to call and say, hey, thoda sa delay kar do please. But were you about to kiss me? Were you not about to kiss me? You confused person. Okay, stop. We have all come back to the property. Everyone's freshened up. Everyone's changed. I got my period, so I'm a little... But it's okay, it happens. Last day, can't believe all 3 days in Goa getting over already tonight. But right now we're off for dinner. We're going to this place called Mahi that is supposed to have delicious food. Good morning, Pabi. Let's go, Pabi. Pabi. Such a drama queen I married, na? The ride to Mahi from Akron Waterfront Resort was barely about 10, maybe 15 minutes. The place looked really interesting and our friends had already been there, so they knew exactly what to order. And the food over there was really, really good. It's basically coastal cuisine, but like with a little bit of a twist. So it was a really nice, chill night. It was the perfect last night for us here in Goa. Okay guys, and with that I'm going to end this vlog. It is about midnight, so technically it is the 28th of February. I'm going back and forth on whether I should vlog tomorrow because there are a couple of things happening tomorrow that are interesting, but at the same time I'm like, should I? I'm confused. Anyway, it is really late and I'm gonna sit and play Mono Deal with my friends for a bit before I actually sit to edit this vlog. So God knows what time I'm gonna land up sleeping tonight. This holiday has been a tad bit exhausting but extremely exciting, and I'm not complaining at all because I'm grateful to be able to do this for you guys and share all of this content and details with you in real time, which is so important to me. I'm probably gonna do more of this if you guys leave comments and tell me that I should do more of this, and I just want to say that I love you. Welcome comment shout out for today goes to Joita Sarkar. Thank you so much for always talking to me in the comments. You know I'm always reading, liking, hearting and responding to all of your comments, so please keep them coming. I will see you guys in the next one. I love you so much. Bye.